A warm welcome to everybody on my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how many types of positions that you can make on equity trading. Okay, so let's get started. The first is the intraday. Intraday trading. What does it mean? It means that when you are buying and selling the share within the same day. So let's take an example here. You are buying a share that is X, which is at current market price is of 1000, and you want to buy 100 numbers of shares. So here the total traded value will be 1 lakh. But in this case, when you are doing the intraday trading, you need not need to pay the full amount of the traded value. You just need to pay a small margin of it. The margin that you need to pay depends on the different brokerage house, okay, and also depends upon the script, that is the stock you are buying. In general cases, I'm considering here to need you to buy a share of total traded value 1 lakh. You need just rupees 10,000 to buy it. Okay, and in this case, you have to take in mind that you have to square up the position within the same day. If you do not square up the position within the same day, then it will be auto square off at 3:15 to 3:20, that is the 10 minutes before the market closes. Okay, so this is a risky type of trading. Okay, and you have to always consider the profit and loss that you make within the market closes, that is before the market closes. The second is the cash buy or sell. So in this case, you are holding the means you are buying a share and you are carrying the positions for the next days. So let's take an example here. Suppose you are buying an X share which is at current market price of rupees 1000. So you are buying 100 shares. The total traded value is of 1 lakh. In this case, you need to have the total amount of the traded value. Okay, so in this case you need a cash or a balance of rupees 1 lakh in your trading account, and you are going to carry forward your positions for the next days. So this traded value means to buy a cash, means buying the cash or the sell mode, you need a demat account. The total value, that is 1 lakh rupees of X share, will be transferred to your demat account. Now what is demat account? Demat account is a account in which all the shares that you have bought gets transferred and it is stored on that demat account. Okay, the total number of shares that you have bought in the cash mode, it gets stored on that demat account. So means you can check the balance, you can get the statement of the demat account, and you will be able to know the total number of shares you are holding on that particular day. Okay, the third point is that margin buy or sell. In this case, it is similar to the cash buy or sell, but one advantage of it is that in this case you did not need to provide the total traded value. Okay, suppose let's take the similar example. You are buying a X script of current market price of rupees 1000. You are buying 100 shares, so the total traded value is 1 lakh. So in the cash buy, you need to have the total amount of the traded value. Okay, but in the margin cash or cash buy or sell mode, you need not need to have the total amount of the traded value. Means it's similar to the intraday margin, but the margin here is quite less compared to the margin which is provided in the case of intraday trading. So I'm taking the average value. Okay, in considering the average value of the margin, I'm taking as you need a cash of rupees 40,000. 40,000 you need a cash to buy a traded value of rupees 1 lakh in margin buy or sell mode. Okay, so means you, in this case, you are carrying your positions for the next days. And how many days, that is a valid point, means how many days you are going to carry forward your position. It totally depends on the brokerage house. The average time period that the brokerage house provide is from 1 week 1 week to 3 months. You can hold the share. Okay, so what happens is that for 1 lakh, in this case, the total traded value that you're buying is 1 lakh. You're providing the margin 40,000, so the balance amount is to be 60,000. So this 60,000 is provided by your brokerage house. So upon this 60,000, you need to pay interest, which is calculated on per day basis. Now, what is the interest? In general cases, I'm always taking the average value. The interest rate is of rupees 0.065% per day. So if you calculate the amount, it comes to rupees 6 to 7 rupees per 10,000. Okay, so upon 60,000, if you take 6 rupees per 10,000, then upon 60,000 it is 36 rupees per day. So you have to pay 36 rupees per day for rupees 10,000, 1 lakh rupees value of the share. Okay, this is the basic thing. This the three main positions that you can take on the equity trading. Okay, now for the next sessions, we'll be discussing the intraday, cash buy and margin buy on elaboration. Okay, for the next sessions. But till now, thank you everybody for watching my channel. Bye bye.